Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kakenhuan Menteri ke Sorkar jela kala Mynjur ban penrung sakhat ar Tylli ki Kolej ha ka Thup jong ka People's College. Hadian ke jingyanang kakenhuan Menteri ke balalong ha ka sngi ba ar ka khalai trik no pra ar hajar ar pu ar u Menteri rang ba u konet ki sangmau la etho ya ka kerteng jong ki khat ar Tylli ki College ki bala penrung ha ka Thup People's College bat ki jing bentoy ki bade ban yo na ka Sorkar. Ula ong ba ka jinglut na ka benta kini ki khat ar Tylli ki College kan kot palat khat nyo klur shisnem.
The next decision was the approval of new People's College in the state. So the cabinet has decided to approve and sanction 12 new People's Colleges throughout the state. They are number 1, Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, West Jente Hills, Number 2, Abong Noga College, Tura, West Garo Hills. Number 3, Krausing Christian College, Moplang, East Khasi Hills. Number 4, Rewar College, Peninsula, East Khasi Hills. Number 5, Loyola College, William Nagar, East Garo Hills. Number 6, Balawan College, Umsning, Ribhoy. Number 7, Mausungram Border Area College, Mausungram, East Khasi Hills. Number 8, Selsela College, Selsela, West Garo Hills. Number 9, Saint Khasi College, Jayao, Shillong. Number 10, Mendipathar College, Mendipathar, North Garo Hills. Number 11, Singap Singh Memorial College, Mokurwat, West Khasi Hills. And number 12, Tikrikila College, Tikrikila, West Garo Hills. These 12 new colleges, People's Colleges, have been approved by the Cabinet today.
Hakawai bat kaliang kakenhuan Menteri kala ai jing Mynjur ya ka ordinance ban pen kala kerteng ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, sya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University, hakabaki babuan ki college hakani ka jela kinyo ban penyaso bat kani ka school ba jong ka jela. Kumba kalong menta jan baro ki college ha Meghalaya ki penyaso bat ka school ba jong ka Sorkar Pedeng kata ka Northeastern Hill University.
The approval of the ordinance where the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University will be changed, the name will be changed to Captain Williamson Sangma State University, and of course necessary amendments that need to be made to insert different subjects will also be done. Rather, it has been done and it has been approved in the cabinet, and this ordinance has been passed today. This is basically being done because the state does not have a state university, and hence we find that all the colleges have to affiliate to NEHU, and hence since we already had the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, the cabinet decided that we will expand the scope of the technical university into a state university and allow our colleges which are within our state the option to affiliate to the state university rather than to NEHU. And once that does happen, then other provisions at the national level, including the CUET exams, which were necessary, then in that case would not be applicable anymore once these colleges affiliate to the Captain Williamson Sangma State University. But apart from that, of course, the idea is to expand the university's work and subjects from just technical to state university. Shillong Government College of Engineering, Shillong, approximately 50 posts will be created. And in the College of Architecture and Urban Planning, approximately 47 posts will be created. And the financial implication which has been shown to us right now with this will be approximately 2.87 crores annually for the engineering college in Shillong and 2.7 crores annually for the College of Architecture and Planning in Tura.
Nalor kita kirai ki bala Mynjur ka kinhuan menteri kala aijing Mynjur ru ban pentrei kam ya ka 5th pay commission ha ki hinyo tli ki ad hoc college ha kani ka jilla ki bajuyo ajing rap komba hinyo pusan na ka shispa na ka Sorkar jilla u konrad ula ang bada ka jing pentrei kam ya ka 5th pay commission ha kini ki ad hoc college ka Sorkar jilla kan hab ban pelut komba khatway pon san klor tingka.
A number of items were discussed and approved in the cabinet today. And they are as follows. Number one, the cabinet has decided that the grant in aid that was given to ad hoc colleges. So there are 7 colleges that receive ad hoc grant, and this grant is against a particular post, where 75% is paid by the government and 25% by the managing committee. Colleges like the Right Laban College, the Women's College, Tikrikila College, Durama College, and Mynjur and Sora. So there are 7 total colleges, and they were actually not receiving the 5th pay commission. So the government has decided that after the necessary homework was done, that the 5th pay commission is applicable to them, and hence there is an arrear amount which needs to be cleared. So that amount will be cleared, and the cabinet has decided that today. The impact of that is about 11 crores for the last 4.5 years. So this is a long pending issue, and it has finally been cleared today. Second decision that was taken was the approval of sanction posts for Shillong Government College of Engineering in Shillong and for the College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tura. So in both of these colleges, the buildings are almost complete, 99%. And now that the sanction posts are being approved, this college is now, after the necessary procedures of different commissions and agencies which need to be taken. Once that is done, we are hopeful that by July, the first academic session of 2023 academic session can be started. So the posts for Shillong Government College of Engineering and the College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tura, these have been approved today. The government has also amended the Meghalaya Health Service rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board also in these rules, so that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board can function and can conduct the necessary exams and the necessary recruitment for the vacancies of different doctors and doctors' posts in the state. So it's a small amendment, but it was necessary to enable the board to function in a smooth manner. The next decision that was taken was that the National Human Rights Commission has directed different state governments that there needs to be compensation on account of death of prisoners, and hence based on the directions given by the National Human Rights Commission, the cabinet today has approved this compensation, and this will also be notified.
Syuk-syuk kakenhun menteri kala aijing Mynjur ru ban mang ye ki kam ki badai ban thong haki artali ki jaka puli ban long ki karikor kita ka Shillong Government College of Engineering bat ka Architecture and Urban Planning College Tura hakaba ki kam ki badan kam ban thong ki long san phau tli ha Shillong Government College of Engineering bat sau phunyau tli ha Architecture and Urban Planning College Tura. Ukondat ulaya thu bala kami lenti baka jing ai jing hikai hakini ki artli ki jaka pulie ansala ban sedang nadu unai tung haus nem arhajar arpulai.
Cabinet's decision to start BA and BCom courses by creating 39 posts and other non-teaching staff posts in the College of Teachers Education, Tura. This is being done as per the new education policy, which requires the colleges that are there to have multi-disciplines, and hence, in order to enable the College of Teachers Education to be able to move forward in the lines of the new education policy, these courses will start, BA and BCom courses, as well as I said, the 39 posts will be created for this purpose. Another small amendment and cabinet approval was given was for the delegation of financial powers under Schedule 4 for the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. This is basically being done in order to ensure that the commission can function smoothly. Before this was done, the commission had to take necessary approval even for renting of halls or expenditures to conduct examinations and other aspects which would really hinder and put too much of problems for the commission, and hence by giving them necessary financial powers, now they will be independently able to, without taking permissions for every small expenditure, they will be able to conduct the exams and other expenditures more smoothly. So those were the main points that were discussed in the cabinet today. Yeah, it's 17 crores 94 lakhs will be the financial implication for 12 colleges annually, which means on a monthly basis about 1.5 crores. And hence, with this, the entire concerns of our youth, especially, who are not able to get access to college seats, and every year we hear this kind of problems that are there. We are hopeful that as per the government's our mandate and our mission also, and our commitment to the people, that education will be given priority. So therefore these aspects are being done. And if you notice today in the cabinet, majority of the agendas were related to education. And with this decisions that we took in education itself, almost close to about 40 crores plus of financial impact is there, which is going to go towards education. So hence this is another indication about how we as a government have given education importance and priority. Obviously we will be giving funds to the necessary to these colleges, where specific posts will be sanctioned by the government, and we will be paying for those teachers and the lecturers and some of the non-teaching staff in these colleges. So it's a financial support, but specifically meant only for the posts and the lecturers that were there. Obviously, the fact is that number one, we required the building. So the building is complete, as I said, 99%, just a few things left. Then obviously we need a manpower, which is what we have decided today, sanctioned. After this is done, then certain permissions and certain processes need to be followed with, as I said, with different bodies that are there at the national level, at state level. So those procedures are required to be followed. But most important, as I said, is the sanctioning of the posts. And now that this has been done, we can say that the commissioning of the college is done now, and a few procedural aspects are left, which we hope will be completed shortly, maybe a few months. And we should be on target to start the academic session by July 2023.